I'm not a car person.
So I want to show you that actually how chilled all of this is. Faster?
Yeah.
Yeah! Look at that smile!
Nem machuca quem tem fé. Achei, axé. Vou nas águas do meu santo. Achei, axé. Na enchente da maré. Quem me vinga da mandinga, figa de Guiné. Mas o tifé do meu axé não vou dizer quem é. Quem me vinga da mandinga, figa de Guiné. Mas o tifé do meu axé não vou dizer quem é. Quem me vinga da mandinga, figa de Guiné. Mas o tifé do meu axé não vou dizer quem é. Quem me vinga da mandinga, figa de Guiné. Mas o tifé do meu axé não vou dizer quem é. Quem me vinga da mandinga, figa de Guiné. Mas o tifé do meu axé não vou dizer quem é. Quem me vinga da mandinga, figa de Guiné. Mas o tifé do meu axé não vou dizer quem é. Quem me vinga da mandinga, figa de Guiné. Mas o tifé do meu axé não vou dizer quem é. Quem me vinga da mandinga, figa de Guiné. Mas o tifé do meu axé não vou dizer quem é. Quem me vinga da mandinga, figa de Guiné. Mas o tifé do meu axé não vou dizer quem é. Quem me vinga da mandinga, figa de Guiné. Mas o tifé do meu axé não vou dizer quem é. Quem me vinga da mandinga, figa de Guiné. Mas o tifé do meu axé não vou dizer quem é. Quem me vinga da mandinga, figa de Guiné. Mas o tifé do meu axé não vou dizer quem é. Quem me vinga da mandinga, figa de Guiné. Mas o tifé do meu axé não vou dizer quem é. Quem me vinga da mandinga, figa de Guiné. Mas o tifé do meu axé não vou dizer quem é. Quem me vinga da mandinga, figa de Guiné. Mas o tifé do meu axé não vou dizer quem é. Quem me vinga da mandinga, Onda forte não derruba. Achei, achei. Nem machuca quem tem fé. Achei, achei. Onda forte não derruba. Achei, achei. Nem machuca quem tem fé. Achei, achei.
Said to this morning, you're half my media team.
Cool. So we're in the right place. We just need to do again and again and again and go 1 mile an hour faster every lap.
Yeah.
And just have a window, okay? Go on a bit more, Liam. You got this, bro. Go on a bit more. And 3, 2, 1, now! There we go. That was half a second movement, bro. Stop releasing slowly.
Yeah, so let's straight go.
Just let go.
Yep.
Go, go, go! 3, 2, 1, now! There we go! That was 2 seconds, bro. Fuck yeah, man! Go on, faster, 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 faster! 3, 2, 1, go! Go! The fuck are you doing? Fuck, man, come on! I'm shouting on purpose. Do you think I get by the bumper?
No.
There we go.
No.
Go on, drive, bro. First corner was perfect. Second corner was perfect. Third corner wasn't wrong.
Too late.
But yeah, but it wasn't wrong. So all I'm telling you is you haven't done something stupid.
Yeah.
No! Oh, the bumper.
No. Probably better leaving it off just in case.
Nah, you're not going to do it again. Liam. Go on, same thing, bro. Go on. Go on. 3, 2, 1, now! Go! Whoop. You're gonna crash. You lifted. Good work. Go on, go on. 3, 2, 1, now! Go! Upright. Now! Yeah! Good lad! Go! 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 3, 2, 1, now! Go! Watch it! Do you still want a feather? Do you still want a feather?
No.
Fuck no, bro. That was epic, Liam. Right.
No.
Are you realizing that all your everything's
my
kicking
sticks
out?
out,
The less you do, the more. Good work. Right, Liam, you got this, bro. Easy. 3, 2, 1, now. Go, 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 tap, tap, tap. And easy. Woo! That was sick. That was sick. Fucking hell, bro.
Better.
I have so much trust in you. You have no idea. You're controlling the car in the worst places. Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
It's not because it's good and you're in control. Yeah. It's when it's wrong you're in control.
Yeah.
Really good. Right, you ready for the transition now?
Come on. Got this.
Let's got this, Liam. You got this, bro. 3, 2, 1, now! Go, 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 tap, tap, tap! Go, 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 go! And easy! Woo! 3. Don't lose angle through the corner.
Yeah.
Keep it the same. Okay. Go on, Liam. You got this, bro. And 3, 2, 1, now! Go! Woo! That was so good! 3, 2, 1, now! Upright, now! Go! Go, 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 go! Good work! 3, 2, 1, now! Go! In, 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 in! Easy. Woo! You just did it, bro! You linked the transition, man. From 10 laps from your first drifter corner. That was so amazing, bro! All the simulators kicking out now! Yo, you got this. Go on, go on, go on. 3, 2, 1, now! Go! Go! Easy! Very good! 3, 2, 1, now! Go, 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 go! 3, 2, 1, hey! Go, 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 go! Up! Go, 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 go! You just did it! You did it! You just licked the track! You licked the track, Liam! Holy fuck! Bro, seriously, you in one day, man, just by teaching you one tool, and then the rest is coming in.
Yeah.
So amazing. Do you know the best part for me? You're about to do the manji, aren't you?
Try it.
Don't try.
We got it. We got it. We got it.
No, we're not doing that. Bro. The only reason why you can't do the manji is because you're not ready mentally for it.
I know.
Okay? Technically, if I would take away the panic out of your head, you would do it straight away.
Yeah.
But we're not there yet, okay? Do you know what you're missing the most? Foot brake while you're initiating. Which means if we do the manji and we go into corner 2 and we don't use foot brake, we die.
Yeah.
Have you ever used foot brake on simulators?
Yeah.
With the handbrake? Do you want to try?
Try it.
You know when? While you're on the handbrake, you need to just press the brakes a bit. And I'm here, just a little bit of light tapping. Yeah. Okay? Let's try it.
Yeah.
Okay. We need to finish with a good one though. Go on, you got this, bro. And 3, 2, 1, now! Go! 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 So sick! 3, 2, 1, now! Whoa! Go! 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 And brake! It's okay! Go! 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 Left! Go! 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 3, 2, laps, you've learned to brake, you've linked the track, you're doing half the manji, you're doing everything confidently, you've done a transition without a handbrake. That was so sick, bro! On a different level, bro.
Appreciate that.
You enjoying it? It's sick, isn't it?
Oh, bro.
One more lap.
Last one of the day, is it?
That's it. Don't put pressure. Let's just do the same, bro.
Yeah.
Exactly the same. Brakes were perfect.
Yeah.
Go on, yeah. Go on, go on, go on, bro. Go on, go on. 3, 2, 1, now. Go, 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 go. In. Easy. That's it. Very good. 3, 2, 1, now. Go, go. And I'm right. Now. Go. Left, 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 left. Go, 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 go. Good work. 3, 2, 1, now. Go. And finish. Woo! Woo! Look at that smoke. Yeah.
Feels better.
Enough. Enough, bro.
He said, get up, let me show you how to do it properly. Oh. Look good?
Yeah, man. I can do it much less than that. Yeah. Wow, that was epic, bro. Yeah, man! This is the important part. I want you to see how what I'm doing is the same as what you've been asked.
Yeah.
But just with a lot more tools. Okay? You think your helmet will fit your missus?
I don't think she'll do it.
What?
No.
I'm taking you as a passenger.
Oh, no thanks, I'm okay.
Can I please show you what something you don't believe in?
Well, inside the car.
Yeah. Can I just explain to you something?
Yeah.
You're thinking you're going to be thrown about everywhere, aren't you?
I just get motion sickness.
I know. You get motion sickness when you don't look where you're going. Can I...
Okay.
We'll do one corner.
Okay.
If you feel like... I want to show you.
Okay.
But for now, I'm taking it first, and then I'll stop here.
No worries.
And I'll...
I tried to explain it.
Okay, but the only thing is, I'm not allowed to do that corner because there's go-karts on
Yeah,
there, right?
yeah.
So I'm going to go slow with you.
Yeah. Feel like that.
Slow.
Slow. That one.
Ready?
Yeah, man. Backwards a few times on a set.
Oh, on the sim?
It's a lot more fun.
It's
backwards
fucking insane, isn't it?
The downhill and all that.
If I'm wrong, you can slap me.
You can wear the GoPro.
Do more than a corner because you might slap me. So.
I'm not a car person.
I know you're not a car person. I want to show you that actually how chilled all of this is.
Have fun.
Thanks.
You'll definitely have fun. Yeah. Right, so I'm gonna basically do this corner,
Okay.
and if you feel really wrong,
Okay.
just tell me, and then we'll stop. Okay.
No worries.
The only I'll prepare you now.
Okay.
The only thing you're gonna feel a bit of aggression
Yeah.
is when I start, but then when I get back on power, you'll see it's gonna feel just like driving.
Okay.
Can I go a bit faster?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that smile. Right. he's up to it. Yeah, I'm happy now. I have a request. Don't allow him to do anything on the road. Do not allow him. That's the tyre, by the way.
Oh, I was going to say, what is that?
Tyre.
Oh.
You enjoyed that?
Yeah, that was cool.
Okay.
That was awesome.
Good.
Thank you.
It's flat tyres.
Oh, wow.
We're giving him as a present. It's the first tyre he's ever done.
I'm not a car person.
And 3, 2, 1, now!